Hi guys, what's up? So today we will talk about XLRI's 2021 final placement, the batch of 1921. I always believe that XLRI is actually better than some of the old IIMs out there, and I mean it's better with respect to the placements, the numbers, the legacy, the pedagogy also, and even the brand as an XLRI has been becoming very strong over a period of time. So let's talk about the placement. The average salary, okay, we'll talk about the median salary first, which is 23 lakh. So if you have median salary, which is 23 lakh, this is going to be, your average is anyway going to be better than the, median. So I would guess it will be around about 24, 25. Now, a quick comparison. This is actually better than the, some of the, IIMs like, KIL, definitely, right? I mean, ABC is anyway going to be a top notch, no doubt about it. So hovering close to FMS, because FMS and XLRI, they do have a tough competition. I rank FMS on rank 4th and XLRI on rank 5th. So again, it's close by, but again, we have to wait for FMS's numbers for this year, by the way. Top 10th percentile and top 25th percentile बच्चों की अगर salary के बारे में बात करेंगे तो 10th percentile will be around about 37.49, that's 37.5. And top 25th percentile के बारे में बात करेंगे, around about 35 lakhs is the average that they are talking about. Now these numbers are quite huge. Now imagine if you are somebody who's an Excel and falls into this category, you're actually making a good chunk of salary along with a good profile, definitely, because mostly you get good profile for a good payout. Now moving ahead, the average salary is around about 25.08 lakh per annum. It has increased very well. We have seen a college like IIM Kozhikode, जहाँ पे average salary has gone down slightly, around about 80,000 मेरे ख्याल से, but then Excel has managed to keep the flag up, and even during during Corona period, I think they have done fantastic job having an average salary of around about 25 plus. Highest domestic is 50 plus. I think this is around about 55, 56. Again, I don't want to disclose the number unless it's coming from Excel officially. But again, the surprising factor is that here comes the BFSI sector. BFSI sector has given the highest pay package on the campus, and that's a good sign, by the way. बहुत सारे लोगों का यहाँ पे ये myth होता है, जो न्यूकमर्स हैं आप फॉलो कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि यार एक्सेल है, खाली एक्सेल इज नोन फॉर एचआर, तो एक्सेल चलना है तो खाली आप एचआर करो, अदरवाइज कोई फायदा नहीं है. बट बहुत सारे बच्चों को पता ही नहीं है कि बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट करके भी एक प्रोग्राम है जो एक्चुअली फ्लैगशिप है, एंड इट इज एज गुड एज कपल ऑफ ओल्ड आईएम्स, राइट? तो ये जो मिथ है बच्चों का कि खाली एचआर के लिए अच्छा है, ये गलत है. आपको बीएफएसआई में भी अच्छा खासा पैकेज मिलता है, and somehow I feel that BFSI, as far as the BM is concerned domain, always have done a fantastic job. Number of recruiters on campus 23. That's a good number, by the way. Moving ahead, if you talk about the top domains of the placement, by default consulting होगा, sales and marketing and BFSI. Consulting में we have all these regular recruiters. BCG है, Bain & Company है, you've got Accenture, you've got Amazon. Definitely 33%, 1/3 of the people have received PPO. ये जो नंबर है ये एक्चुअली कुछ ओल्ड IIM से बेटर है मेरे ख्याल से. दिस इज लिटिल बेटर देन दी KIL if I'm not wrong. So 1/3 of the people are getting around about PPO, which is like pre-placement offer, and that's a good sign, honestly. Summers के बाद you get PPO, by the way. So new final recruiters included prestigious companies. We all know it's going to be D-Shaw, and you're going to have Mastercard, you're going to have Pepsi and IDFC. That's okay. We'll kind of leave them aside. Now this is something you need to make a note of. Legacy recruiters like PwC, Goldman Sachs, Paytm, Airtel, these are all big players, yeah, and they are there as a regular recruiter. PSUs में भी यहाँ पे placement होती है, so you can think about it. अगर हम बात करेंगे sales and marketing and BFSI, मेरे ख्याल से consulting is again dominating. If I'm not wrong, Kozhikode का जो मैंने बनाया था वीडियो उसमें 37% था, so 29% यहाँ पे है your consulting, sales and marketing 16%. Little better than Kozhikode. I remember उसका 15.5 था, and 14% of the roles offered by BFSI sector. That's a good. These are the good numbers. But again, you will get the recruiters like going to be almost what you see. You will see these companies coming on ABC. You will see these companies coming on KIL. You will see these companies coming on IIT, Bombay, Delhi. You will see these companies coming on SPGen. I mean, definitely SPGen. XLRI is way above SPGen, no doubt about it. But then, these are the companies that you can understand that they are also coming in XLRI, but they're paying a little bit more than the other companies, by the way, other colleges. Consulting, these are all the names that we have heard of. These are all the dream recruiters for students. Again, you have all the FMCG companies. You've got ITC, you've got Colgate, you've got Hindustan, HUL, and these are the good recruiters. BFSI, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citibank, then you've got Kotak. So overall, if you look at, even the business management as a program has been able to deliver a good chunk of placements, and these placements, the stats, the numbers, and it's not like they have a less number of students. They have around about 380 students. Still, they could manage to place everybody, keeping the average package 25 lakhs, which is definitely more than KIL. Moving ahead, you also have Genman, TAS, and Aditya Birla. These are, and again Capg. These are the regular recruiters. मेरे ख्याल से you've got ITS, e-commerce, Prodman. Even for the HR, you have all the good companies in the country, global brands turning up and picking up students from here. So guys, if you talk about XLRI, I know there's only one exam SAT which you have to give for XLRI, but this is the college which can actually help you. So if at all you're missing on ABC, you can still try to get yourself compensated by getting into XLRI. It's the college which has a potential to actually give you a tough fight as far as the ABC folks are concerned, because again, even in ABC you will see some students not getting paid very well. Comparatively to the top level, like 14-15 lakhs. Excel maybe honge, no doubt about it, but if you get into Excel and work your way out and kind of do some hard work, and if you want to take a revenge, yaar mere ABC mein nahi hua, but mere ko Excel mein hua hai, and I really want to get into 40-50 lakhs ka club, you can definitely do that, guys. There is no doubt about it. It's a fantastic college with fantastic peer group out here. I hope this video is helping you, because see guys, at this point in time, it's quite important for you to understand ये बी स्कूल्स में क्या होता है, क्या टाइप की प्लेसमेंट्स आती है, कौन से डोमेन्स है, कौन से वर्टिकल्स है. ये जब आपको क्लियर होगा, देन आई थिंक वो आपका मोटिवेशन बिल्डअप करेगा. सो साइड बाय साइड अपना कैट का पढ़ाई भी चलने दो, आपका इंटरव्यू का पढ़ाई चलने दो, बट एट द सेम टाइम do have these videos in your mind so that you get motivated, and when you are actually down in the month of September, October, जब demotivate हो जाओगे, always remember these numbers, these companies are going to make you big shot, because working with this big brand definitely going to make you big shot. So guys, that's it from my side. Hope this video helps you. Keep watching and stay tuned to City Mentors. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye bye.